another cool device to unbox for you guys. What's up, guys? It's Raf in the RAFCAVE. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm all about home theater, unboxings, reaction videos, and just overall inspiring you to get your own cave in your house. So hit that subscribe button if you're new, and hit the bell if you want to know when I upload the next video. Appreciate it. So what we got here is Sonos One. Pretty sweet little device. Now this one here, the Sonos One, is the Alexa enabled one. So the Alexa app is actually built into the speaker, so you can do voice control with it. Pretty amazing technology. It's pretty cool. So it basically is Sonos. If you don't know what it is, it's a whole home solution for great speakers, great sound throughout your house. They sell sound bars, play bar. They sell the play bass sound bar, which can go under your TV. They sound amazing. If you want to go to your local store, check them out. They sound great. Cool thing about them is you can get these speakers here and use them as your wireless speakers, like surround sound for your sound bar if you want. But you can put them all over your house and play amazing music from them. And it's all controlled by an app you download. And you can customize the sound and make it just sound fantastic. So what I'm going to do with this guy here is I'm going to put it up in the bedroom. So that way I can have music in the bedroom, all kinds of cool audio. And who knows, maybe I'll get more of these in the future. But for now, I just want to unbox this one for you and kind of put the name out there of Sonos and then go from there. But a couple cool things about it. This speaker here, engineered fantastic. You see the diagram here. They got two Class D amplifiers in it for the woofer and the tweeter. Sound is fantastic on it. It's got 6 microphones built in, so if you want to do the voice commands with it, it has a noise canceling in it, so it'll definitely hear your voice over the music that you're playing, which is nice. You can also do a calibration on this too. On the app you download, you basically walk around your room and calibrate the sound to the room that you're putting it in. So put it in the bathroom, put it in the bedroom, put it in your main room. It'll take measurements of your room and make sure that that speaker sounds the best in that location, which is pretty slick. So, you know, Sonos has got a lot of different speakers out there, so depending if you want something small or larger, they got it for you. They even have subwoofers as well, which is really cool. But basically, if you want a network speaker that you put around your house, expandable, not on your Wi-Fi, its own proprietary network for great sounding audio, Sonos is an excellent choice. And what I've heard also is their engineers are fantastic. I mean, them and Bose are very similar. But I heard that their failure rating on these speakers is like less than 0.5% of all their speakers that they ship. So quality-wise, you know, you got a really good unit when you buy one. And also they have a 10-year update lifespan on their speakers. So for 10 years, when you buy it, you're going to get updates to make it perform better, sound better, and just do more stuff. So that's really good backing of a good company for you too. So I like that about Sonos. So pretty cool. Now this video is not sponsored by Sonos. This is my speaker. I'm just talking to you guys about it. It sounds like a pretty cool speaker. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to unbox this for you. I'm going to try to show you the app that you download with it. And otherwise, yeah, check it out. So I'm Raf in the RAFCAVE. Let's get to this. Black Pin. Alright guys, let's get this unboxed. I will show you the box on the outside real quick. Now they do come in two versions. They have the white and the black. I have the white one here. So pretty simple box here. Let's get this guy open here. So yeah, this is all-in-one music solution. So with the app you have access to thousands of radio stations, a ton of apps, all the major ones, you know, like the Pandoras, the Spotify, all the major ones you want to listen to, you're going to get on that app. So it's nice having all this music at your fingertips. It's really cool. All right, let's check this out. Sonos. It's like this is all the paperwork you're going to get with it. Get the Sonos app. Product information. What do we got here? Some instructions here. Alright. So, if new to Sonos, okay, so walk through the app you download on the Google Play Store, App Store, Apple. Cables you want. You got the power cord and the network cable. That's optional only. I'm going to use mine for the Wi-Fi, so I won't need the hardwire. But if you're going to put the speaker near a hard line, all the better to do that for consistent speed and connectability. Alright, so that's the paperwork right there. Sonos. Ooh, look at this nice packaging right here. Sonos in this nice velvet bag. It's got some weight to it. It's 4.5 pounds. Let's put that right there. What else you got in here? Going deep into the box. There's our 2 cords here. Ethernet patch cable and your power cord. Sweet. Alright guys, well that's the almost unboxing. Wait a minute. Let's get this going here. Alright, we got the sticker there. Alright, I gotta rip it. Oh, I'm gonna rip the sticker. Alright, here we go. Will he save the sticker? Yes, sticker saved. Ooh, yeah, clean, new electronics. Wow. Beautiful. Sonos. It's like that's your link or sync button or power button. Ethernet there. And then your power cord goes right down at the bottom. Sonos One. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom. Very nice. At the top here, you're going to have your Alexa light that comes on when you say Alexa. Play, pause, and then your volume up and down. It's right there. Awesome. All right, let's get this going, guys. To be continued. All right, guys. So I'm back here. I'm about to plug this in for the first time. Nice and snug power cord right in there. Alright, lights coming on. And this is just an Android tablet. So once you download the Sonos app, all your music in one app. Okay, swipe over. Play any song from any room. That's the Play 5. It's a larger Sonos speaker with multiple woofers in it. And there's the Play 1, the black version way over there. Set up a new Sonos system. Allow location access, sure. Yep. So it's asking us to create an account. Alright, so I'm going to enter my email and password here real quick. Okay, so email is confirmed. So basically, once you put in your email and password here, you verify your email address, and then you go back to this screen. So set up your Sonos speakers. First, let's connect your Sonos products to your Wi-Fi. I'm going to do standard setup because I don't have a boost or some kind of bridge or Ethernet, so I'm going to do a standard setup here. So we're going to set up your Sonos product. So it found my speaker. So now it's connecting. And of course, just going to go through the wireless setup. Okay, so now it's checking. Connecting to my wireless network. It could take a few minutes. All right. See the light there? It's getting everything connected. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is going to be in my bedroom, and it's going to make my bedroom sound really nice if I want to get music going. Okay, so now it says press the button on new one. So it's the button in the back you press. Ooh. Please wait. It says connecting, please wait. Still. Added your one. You're now ready to choose the room for your one, okay? I'm going to go next. And this is going to be the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Next. The one will be used in the master bedroom. Would you like to add another player? No, not now. Sonos update. Your Sonos update will now be updated. So there's your update. Now it's updating the speaker. Fantastic. Now it's updating your speakers. Sonos products are now up to date. Awesome. So now we got to register. So this is where you're going to add all your music apps. Add your music service. That's what I'm going to do right now. So you can add Google Music, which I'll do. I'll add iHeartRadio. Amazon Music I'll add. What else we got? Look at all these different apps. Tons. Pandora I'll add. SoundCloud, Spotify, Tidal. Tons of apps. I'm sure you can add a few more, but I'm going to do a few right now. Alright, so we got finished adding all of my music apps to the Sonos app. Now I added the Alexa feature to it, and it's asking me to ask a few things. So, Alexa, what is happiness?
Pharrell would be great at answering that.
Is that Pharrell? Nice. Alexa, who won the Grammys last year?
Adele took in top honors at the 59th Annual Grammy Awards with 5 wins, including Song of the Year, Album of the Year, and Record of the Year. Beyoncé won 2 Grammy Awards, and Chance the Rapper won Best New Artist and Best Rap Album.
Cool. Ask Alexa to discover your Sonos speaker. Alexa, discover my devices.
I found one new device called Master Bedroom.
So it's asking me to go to the Alexa app. Yeah, of course. So in order for me to continue adding Alexa skill, I need to use my phone that I'm using to record this. So, alright guys, I'm going to end it here. So you kind of get the idea of what you do with the app. The app allows you to add streaming apps to it and customize the music that you want to listen to on your Sonos One. And then when you get Alexa involved with it, then you can really customize your voice commands with it as well. So I think it's an awesome product. I'm excited to use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, this video is the unboxing of the Sonos One white Alexa version for you guys. All right, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.